हेलो एवरीवन, जय जगन्नाथ। स्वागत करुच्ची विराट जिके एक्सप्रेस को। आशा करी आपण मैंने भलरे थे और आपंकर प्रिपेरेसन मत भलरे चली। क्वेश्चन आरंभ करने पूर्व आपण समस्त माँ सरस्वती को प्रणाम करतु। चलतु ए क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ हरियांका डायनेस्टी? आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, बिंबिसार। The revolutionary like Asaf Ullah Khan, Chandra Shekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, and Rajendra Lahiri were all associated with. Answer is option A, the Kakori Conspiracy, case 1925. The Mopla Rebellion in 1921 in Malabar was Muslim peasants' rebellion against. Answer is option D, Hindu land holder. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन, the Revolt Act was passed in. Answer is option C, 1919. Mahatma Gandhi launched Kheda Satyagraha on Gujarat in 1918 to support the cause of. Answer is option C, the peasants. The East India Association was set up in. Answer is option A, 1866. Who established the Hindu Dharma Sangrakshini Sabha in the year 1993 by? Answer is option D, Damodar and Balkrishna Chipkar. Vande Mataram was a series of articles published in the year 1907 by. Answer is option B, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Who was admired as tempestuous Hindu in 1893 in the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago? Answer is option D, Swami Vivekananda. Who were associated with Indian League established in 1875 in Calcutta? Answer is option C, Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Shambhu Charan Mukherjee. Who killed Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak? Answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. The prominent leader of Indian Association which was established in Bengal in July 26, 1876 where? Answer is option A, Anand Mohan Bose and Surendranath Banerjee. Who killed Government India Act 1935, a chapter of slavery? Answer is option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian National Congress passed Quit India resolution at. Answer is option A. Wardha session 1942. Wavell plan essentially dealing with Indian demand of self-rule and reconstitution of Viceroy's Council was put forth by Lord Wavell in. Answer is option C. 1945. The third person who presented himself for individual satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi in October 1940 was. Answer is option A. Brahma Dutt. When Japan handed over Andaman Nicobar Islands to Subhash Chandra Bose in November 1943, he named these islands as. Answer is option D. Shahed Island and Swaraj Island, respectively. Subhash Chandra Bose became the Supreme Commander of Indian National Army in. Answer is option C. 1943. Lord Mountbatten put forth the plan proposing the partition of India and the creation of Pakistan. Answer is option B. June 10, 1947. When Quit India resolution was passed in 1942, the Viceroy of India was. Answer is option A. Lord Linlithgow, who founded Anushilin Samiti in 1907, Dhaka. Answer is option E. Pulin Bihari Das. Sarojini Naidu was elected Congress President at. Answer is option D. Kanpur session 1925. In 1918, who founded Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. In 1942, British Prime Minister Winston Churchill sent. Answer is option B. Cripps Mission to India. The demand officially made by the Congress for a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India was accepted in principle by the British government in what is known as. Answer is option D. August 4 of 1940. By which act of British India was the Governor General empowered to issue ordinance? Answer is option A. India Council Act 1861. In 1960 to 18, the Home Rule League movement was launched under the leadership of. Answer is option C, Ani Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In 1932, Pune Pact was signed between. Answer is option B, Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Indian Directory was started by. Answer is option D, Montagu Chelmsford Reform 1919. Ajira last question. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi on March 12, 1930? Answer is option C, Civil Disobedience Movement. आशा करी क्लासटी आपको भल लगी जदि क्लासटी आपको भल लगी था लाइक शेयर कमेंट एवं शेयर करने भूलें। थैंक यू ऑल द बेस्ट। गॉड ऑलवेज ब्लेस यू।